Happy weekend, everybody! Recently, I've had a new gaming app installed on my phone and it says we will earn Ethereum just by playing. I wonder if it's really worth my downtime on this game, so let's check it out. Before you play, make sure to put your Coinbase email address here in the wallet section, then tap on Save Info. This will serve as your login credential. If you don't have a Coinbase account, you can sign up for free by visiting the link in the description box below. I'm gonna start a new game and cash out after. Expect that there will be adverts to pop up in this game because that's how the owner makes money. This is what the game looks like. You can see your game level, your highest score, the target number of coins you have to meet to move to the next level, the coins you have collected, and the GUI. GUI is the unit of Ether that can be withdrawn directly to our Coinbase Ethereum wallet. It says that the maximum withdrawal is 80,000 GUI. As you can see, I now have 7,427 GUI because I already started playing the game before I made this video. To reach our goal, we have to pop all the cryptocurrencies on board. The more cryptos we pop in one tap, the more coins we get. Of course, the more coins we get, the more GUI we earn. I'm gonna continue playing till we reach 8,000 GUI, then I'll cash out.
A few moments later.
I just noticed that there's a delay on my touch screen. I don't know if this is something that we can adjust on our phones or if it's something that the creators should fix. I was also expecting that after each level, there'll be an ad to pop up, but fortunately, I was free to play. So now I want to test if this app is really paying. I'll just go back to the menu, tap wallet, and scroll to the bottom. You can see here how much GUI I've earned, so let's cash it out. Complete CAPTCHA and voila! It says successful, and at the same time, I've got a notification from Coinbase that I have received my earnings. That's quite fast. It means that this app is really paying. If you're interested, you can download CryptoPop using the link in the description box below. And you may also check its user feedback before downloading. I usually do this on any product or service I'm interested in. It really helps a lot to check the quality and legitimacy of any product. As of today, this app has a 4.4 rating, which I still consider a high rating. Let's read at least two of the most recent feedback on the screen. The first one says, the game is quite addictive and very easy to play. Some of the target scores are difficult to reach most of the time. Winnings could be higher though. I've cashed out twice at 0p and 1p. I don't know what that means. Must take forever to earn something worthwhile. For the effort you put into it, there's a little reward. But at the end of the day, it's a good game and not another scam app. I don't know what 0p and 1p means, but he kind of wrote what I already expected on this game. Since this is free, don't expect to earn so much. One thing to spot a scam is the reward they offer. If you've crossed an app that offers a big reward, then you better think twice. They're just probably milking people and you'll never get your earnings cashed out. The second feedback says, it's a simple game that's okay to pass the time. However, it keeps on crashing and closing itself. I even tried to claim my tokens or coins, but when I tried to do it, it crashes and closes itself. If the crashing problems can be fixed and I can claim my coins, then I will update my rating and add more stars. Yeah, I agree with this. It's kind of frustrating if you're in the middle of something and the app suddenly crashes. It feels like you're in limbo. It really sucks when you have to clear the cache knowing that you can no longer go back where you left off. I really hope that it doesn't happen too often because I think this app is a good way to monetize my downtime. It's so easy to play and I get extra income just by playing. Though it doesn't pay as much as your daily job, But whatever I get here, it's still money. I hope you'll enjoy this app too, and I'll see you in my next video. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!